Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Force of Nature with myself, HMK. If you like the episodes, click that like button. If you don't, click the hate button. Comments are always welcome. If you want to be a sponsor, then please go and sponsor me at Patreon. You can make a single donation or you can make a monthly donation. Any amount is welcome, even if it's only the minimum amount, and you always get a shout out. So let's see, we're making blast furnace here and we've got recipes and we've got iron ore here, copper, no, back, iron here. So we're going to select that and we're going to make, oh, we've got 6 here, so that's good. I don't know where we got that from, but that's going to be good. So we're going to take that iron ore, we're going to throw it on the floor there. Splinter changes crafting speed minus 50%. We don't want that there. Right, okay, so that is really where we stay. So we're going to move stuff over here, okay, and we've got our seed beds over here. So I want seeds here, okay, so that just tells me where I've got seeds. Strawberry seeds, not sure what these do. Okay, so we're going to put food near the cooker, so that will be the milk, yeah, whatever that is, coconut, lettuce, bread. We want to keep the bread, we'll put the apples down there now. Sunflower seeds, sep, water. No, we'll put water by the well. Meat we can put down there. Pine cone, don't know what that is. Flour we can put down there. Okay, so we're going to put water by the well. Like I said there, we can do that and get closer. Take all. Now, like I said, I don't know if with us putting this on the floor, yeah, will actually make it worse for us or not. So we've got to be careful. If it does and we lose it, we'll just start again. We don't really mind. Okay, so we're going to be taking the nails here and the sticks. So strawberry and rosemary and the coffee branch, they need to come out there. So they're flowers, so we'll put flowers here. Strawberry, that's food. Rosemary, go to flowers. Wheat, that's food. So we're going to want the bonfire, we're going to want recipes, glowing embers, select, oh yeah, okay, and then we're going to put these sticks down down there as well, and more sticks. And then what we're going to be doing is across here, because we know where we're going. We're going to go to build, decorations, wheat pallicides. Not enough resources. Okay, so you can see that we're building a little bit here. Okay, a little bit of a wall, but I don't know whether it's going to do anything or not. We'll just have to wait and see. Right, so iron ingots. Okay, so take all of them. So we're going to move over to the side, take the anvil, recipes, nails, select 10, 20, 30. We'll go with 40 and say OK. So now we can go to constructions, and we can go to small chest. So we need 15 nails, and that is only indoors. Okay. So we're going to pick all this up. Okay, and construction. Sorry, not that one. Council, decorations. No, it's not that one either. Cancel, constructions. Where are you? Small chest. Select. So we can put a small chest here. Let's see. Can we put a bed in? What's a bed? $7 and 28 or 30. Don't know if we want a bed, to be honest. I'd rather have a really tiny construction there, isn't it? So we do have more nails. Right, so let's have a look. So yeah, so that does that there. So we're going to put in our valuable stuff, which is the gold coins, and we're going to put in the copper coins. But we're not going to put the copper coins in because we need 16 copper coins. They come in handy. Nails will splinter, rope, no. Let's see. Just want to keep this stuff out of my hair. So this is building materials, which is not too bad. So 1, 2, 3 there. So planks there. Stone. Yeah, we can split the stone. So that's good. Stone, clay, nails, iron ingots, flour there, rope, copper ingots there. I think copper makes nails. So yeah, so let's have a look at what we need for a barrel then. So we need planks of wood, 2 copper ingots, and 20 nails. Right. Cancel small chest. So we want the nails, we want the planks, we want the copper ingots, constructions, barrel. So we can build a barrel. So where are we going to build a barrel? Because we are going to need a barrel. So what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to put the barrel next to the seed bed, so we can do the ore and the seeds. Okay, so we can go and pick up okay, so we can go and pick up all of those, and we can pick up these and these, and the water. So let's go and close our door. So in the barrel we're going to be having the water, sticks. We can put the embers in there, put the iron ore in there, put the tin ore in there. Then we've got the wheat seeds, the strawberry seeds, sunflower seeds, coffee seeds. Yeah. And that's it, I believe. Small chest, we're putting nails in here. I'll put the planks of wood there. We'll put the pelts in there because we don't know what they're for yet. And palm leaves in there. One more. We want flour. We'll put the hive in there because we don't know what it is. Okay, so that gives me less to carry around with me. So that's all well and good there. So we'll see you in the next episode, ladies and gentlemen, where we look at making the seed beds bigger. Have fun, stay safe. Bye for now.